Ingredients for the dough: wheat starch 120 grams, Greek yogurt 120 grams, flour 20 grams, rose water 1 tablespoon, saffron powder in boiling water 2 tablespoons, liquid oil 1 teaspoon, baking powder half a teaspoon. Ingredients for the syrup: sugar 1 cup, water 1/3 cup, rose water 2 tablespoons, fresh lemon juice half a teaspoon, saffron powder in boiling water half a teaspoon, cardamom seed 5 pieces, glucose syrup half a tablespoon. In a bowl, add the wheat starch as well as the Greek yogurt. Beat them with a fork until you get a very soft paste. Then add the rose water as well as the saffron and the liquid oil and mix them with a fork. Then add the flour and mix it with a fork a little bit. Then using an electric beater, beat the ingredients for 5 minutes. During the beating, add the baking powder. Beat everything for 5 minutes until you get a soft paste. After 5 minutes, cover the bowl and leave it in room temperature for 3 to 4 hours. To make the syrup, add the sugar, water, rose water, as well as the lemon juice. Give it a stir and then place it on a high flames. Do not stir the mixture while on the flames until it starts boiling. Brush the sides of a saucepan with some lemon juice in order to wipe the extra sugar. Once all the sugar is dissolved in the water, add the saffron and the cardamom seeds, as well as the glucose syrup. Stir and let the glucose syrup dissolve in the mixture. Once the syrup starts thickening, just like the consistency of a warm honey, remove it from the heat. After 4 hours, uncover the paste and give it a mix and transfer the paste inside a sauce bottle. Under the high flames, in a small saucepan, add 2 to 3 inches of the liquid oil and let the oil to get completely hot. Once the oil is hot enough, pour from the paste inside the oil, forming the circle shapes inside each other, and let it deep fry until both sides are completely golden. Once all the sides are completely golden, remove it from the oil and directly put it inside the hot syrup. Remember, the syrup for this recipe must be hot. Let it stay in the syrup for 10 to 15 seconds and then you can remove it from the syrup. Do the same thing for all the paste you've got. As you see, the Zoolbia is very tender and it tastes great. Enjoy it with your tea or as a dessert.